everybody, Chris here with IPD, and welcome to IPD Showroom located here in Portland, Oregon. More likely when you visit us, you're going to see IPD's famous 142 vintage race car. Unless you've attended one of IPD's garage sale events, you haven't had the opportunity to hear what this thing truly sounds like. In this video, we're going to go ahead and give you a couple hot laps so you can experience what an old V20 vintage race car with 13-to-1 compression sounds and feels like on the track.
Back in the 1970s and 80s, the IMSA Championship Spark Plug Challenge and SCCA B Sedan Group was a highly competitive racing circuit for import cars. Our founder Richard Gordon and the IPD crew took this race car to many tracks around the country to compete. That was a great way of testing products that IPD sold direct to consumers who wanted go-fast bits and suspension products for their own Volvos. This 142 Volvo was the first Volvo to win a professional race in America. This 1971 142 race car is still equipped with many of the trick components used to compete in that series. The B20 uses a lightweight aluminum clutch plate and flywheel, Carrillo connecting rods, billet camshaft, and titanium valves. The engine has been overboard using IPD's 2130cc engine kit, making approximately 225 horsepower with 13-to-1 compression. Richard's son Rob Gordon now owns and maintains the race car. Rob Gordon has driven this car in many VP2 vintage races and SCCA historic events. We thought it would be great for you to see what it's like to take a few laps around a racetrack in what they now call the Vintage Production Group Race Car Series. We hope you enjoy.